Hey everybody, it's Mike with metalroofbuilder.com, and I'm just going to briefly go over three main benefits of metal roofing, or having a metal roof. And I'm referring to a standing seam metal roof. So the first benefit is its energy efficiency. What does that mean? Well, a metal roof is lighter than a shingle roof on your home, for example. So the way the metal paint systems are put together, they reflect the heat away during the summer, and they absorb the heat more naturally during the winter. The bottom line is, for you as a homeowner or a building owner, you should save about 20 to 25% on your utility cost vis-a-vis a shingle roof. Okay. The second benefit is the longevity of a metal roof. The longevity of a metal roof, if it's properly constructed, should last you 50 to 70 years. The paint systems that they have today are more robust, so the color lasts a lot longer. But if it's put on properly, it'd probably be the last roof you ever need. Okay, vis-a-vis shingles, which, depending on what part of the country you're in, you're going to be talking about replacing those shingles about every 20 years. So, and that's assuming that you don't have hailstorms, etc., that might require you to replace the roof with your insurance. Okay. The third big benefit of a metal roof or metal roofing system on your house or your building is the fact that it's low maintenance. Okay. Very seldom do you have to worry about a tree limb punching a hole in your metal roof, or a hailstorm big enough to cause dents that would require replacing the roof. And all of those right there: energy efficiency, saving 20-25% on your utility costs, 50 to 70 year lifetime of the roof means you're not going to have to replace the roof every 20 years. So that's going to save you at least 2 roofs. And then, of course, the low maintenance appeal of it. And of course, there's one more benefit, and that is that they look very good. Today's metal roofing systems are becoming more and more popular. So if you are interested in learning more about metal roofing for your building or your home, you can go to metalroofbuilder.com, and all of my contact info is there. There are lots of photos of the projects that I've actually done, and I'm more than happy to answer any questions you have. So feel free to get in touch with me. Thanks.